According to NAM, 85% of manufacturing companies have job openings they've been unable to fill. In November of 2019, there were 500,000 open manufacturing jobs in the U.S. November 2021, 850,000 open jobs. If you're having trouble filling jobs, consider using a robot to tend your CNC machine and redeploy that machine operator into another role. Adding a robot does more than just create one less job to fill. Adding a robot helps you attract and retain more young workers into your operation. Why? Because they know if you're investing in robots, you plan on being there for the future. Tell them you're planning for the future, they may or may not believe you. Show them by adding a robot, they believe. To discover more about how our machine-tending robots can help your machine shop thrive, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.